Recently, the demand for dental tourism is increasing and many are choosing to go abroad for treatment due to low costs and top-quality treatments. The most popular dental procedures are dental implants. They can be used to fill in the gaps of missing teeth and to restore the dental health and smile of a patient. In terms of the cost of dental implants, Europe is known to be very expensive in comparison to other nations, such as Turkey. In this clip, we'll compare the cost of dental implants across Europe as well as Turkey in order to assist you in making an informed choice when deciding the best place to get the dental implants you want. Europe has many of the top dental practices and highly trained dentists. However, this usually is expensive. The cost for a single implant in Europe could range between €800 up to €2,000 dependent on the location and clinic standing. The high price can be an obstacle for many who require dental implants, however are unable to afford for such high costs. However, Turkey has become a well-known tourist destination in the field of dental tourism due to the low cost as well as high-end dental care. Costs for a one-time dental implant Turkey is significantly lower in comparison to Europe and prices range between €400 up to €1,000. The significant cost difference has led to a large number of international patients to visit Turkey to receive dental treatment, which includes dental implants. However, is it worthwhile traveling to Turkey to get dental implants solely because of the price? Yes, and here's the reason. The dental clinics of Turkey have state-of-the-art technology as well as highly skilled dentists that can offer the same high-quality treatments as the ones located in Europe. A lot of dental centers located in Turkey provide package deals which include transportation and accommodation, which makes it an easy and affordable option for international patients. Alongside the reduced cost of dental services, the business Turkey is controlled by the Turkish government to guarantee the highest standards of treatment as well as patient safety. The dental clinics have to meet stringent guidelines and go through periodic inspections to keep their certification. Patients are able to rest easy in knowing they receive the best dental treatment in a secure and reliable setting. If you are looking at the cost of dental implants in Europe in comparison to Turkey, it is evident that Turkey provides a lower cost alternative without losing the quality. Lower costs, higher quality of treatment, as well as the convenience of package deals makes Turkey an ideal location for dental tourism, particularly for those who are seeking dental implants. When deciding to go to Turkey to get dental implants, it's important to find a reliable dental practice that can meet the requirements and needs of your particular situation. Find clinics that have skilled dentists, favorable customer reviews, as well as a history of success in dental implant treatments. If you choose the best dental clinic, you will be able to enjoy an effective and safe dental implant procedure for a fraction of the price compared to Europe. The bottom line is that the cost of dental implants in Europe are significantly higher than those in Turkey, which makes Turkey an attractive option for patients from abroad who want low-cost dental treatment. Because of its low prices, top-quality service as well as strict rules, Turkey offers a safe and affordable option to dental tourism. If you're considering getting the possibility of dental implants, a trip to Turkey could be the most beneficial option to protect your dental health as well as your budget.